Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to remove an email account on your Mac. It's actually a pretty straightforward process, but sometimes finding the right settings can be a bit tricky. In this video, I'll walk you through the easy step-by-step process, showing you exactly where to go and what to click to remove any unwanted email accounts from your Mac. Whether it's an old work account, a defunct personal one, or just one you don't need anymore, this guide will help you clean things up. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps us out. And if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Screen recording starts. Show the Apple menu in the top left corner. Okay, first, we need to go to the Apple menu. That's the little Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it. Highlight the Apple menu and then System Settings. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings or System Preferences if you're on an older version of Mac OS. The System Settings window opens. Now, in System Settings, you're looking for Internet Accounts. It might be located in a different place depending on your Mac OS version, but usually it's in the sidebar on the left. Sometimes it's under Users and Groups, or Mail, Contacts, and Calendars on older versions. Scroll through the sidebar until you find it. Highlight Internet Accounts in the sidebar. If it's not there, show Users and Groups or Mail, Contacts, and Calendars, ***. Found it? Great. Click on Internet Accounts. The Internet Accounts window opens, displaying the list of connected accounts. Here, you'll see a list of all the email and other Internet accounts that are connected to your Mac. This includes your iCloud account, Gmail, Yahoo, and any other email providers you've added. Scroll through the list and highlight an example email account. Now, select the email account you want to remove. Just click on it. Show the details of the selected email account and highlight the Remove Account button. After selecting the account, you'll see details about it on the right side of the window. Look for a button that says Remove Account. It's usually located at the bottom of the window. It might also say Delete Account. Click the Remove Account button. Click on Remove Account. A confirmation dialog box appears. A confirmation dialog box will appear, asking if you're sure you want to remove the account. It might also warn you that removing the account will delete all associated data from your Mac. Read the warning carefully. Highlight the OK or Confirm button in the confirmation dialog box. If you're sure you want to remove the account, click OK or Confirm. The selected email account disappears from the list. And that's it. The email account has been removed from your Mac. You can repeat this process for any other accounts you want to remove.
Switch back to the talking headshot. ***.
So that's how you remove an email account on your Mac. It's a simple process, but it's important to know where to look. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.